If you're tired of dealing with messy oil changes and want a quicker, cleaner solution, this pump is definitely worth considering. This pump is suitable for a wide range of vehicles and equipment, including cars, motorcycles, pressure washers, and even lawnmowers, making it a versatile tool for any garage or workshop. But what really impressed me is its ease of use. Simply insert the tube from the pump into your vehicle's dipstick, power up the unit with a 12-volt power source, and let it do the work for you. The pump quickly and efficiently extracts oil from your engine, saving you time and hassle compared to traditional oil changes. And speaking of efficiency, let's talk about the pump's performance. It delivers a consistent flow of oil without splashing or spilling, ensuring a clean and thorough extraction every time. Plus, its a compact size and lightweight design make it easy to store and transport. For best results, ensure that the oil is at operating temperature before trying to extract, reducing strain on the motor.